Welcome. My name is Kashif. I am from India, and over the past 10 years, I have been working as an IT consultant, providing IT support starting from help desk to engineering for some of the US based companies as well as various leading contractors. Here is my website and blog site address. This course will help you to install, configure, and administrate Sccm, which is also known as System Center Configuration Manager. The goal of this course is to allow you to fully administrate and control Sccm infrastructure, even if you have never worked with it before. In this course, I'm gonna turn you into an Sccm system administrator. This course will teach you how to become an Sccm system administrator without boring you with all the theory and fluff that is found in most of the certification and online guides, college classes, and other online courses. The one and only goal of this course is to give practical experience you need so you can get an IT job. By the end of this course, you will understand how to fully implement and administrate SCCM in your own IT infrastructure or at home or in your lab environment. In this course, I will take you through the basics to the advanced level wherein you will learn how to quickly install SCCM and all of its required components. Once we have the Sccm environment up and running, you are going to learn the fundamentals and how to use it. Does it sound complicated? Rest assured, I will be taking you step by step to each of the section in the course. And together we will build an Sccm server lab environment that will give you skills that you can put on your resume. Also, if you get stuck at any point, you can always put your questions on the discussion board and we will be there to answer your questions. The ideal students for this course is any existing IT professionals who want to learn how to fully leverage SCCM in their work environment, or anyone who wants to get a job that requires SCCM related skills, or anyone who is seeking to expand IT skill set. We have included everything what you need to know to fully administrate SCCM. At the end of this course, you have created your own virtual IT lab installing, configuring SCCM server with a domain controller and a database. So what you need to do is to enroll this course right now and get started. And I look forward to seeing you inside the course. Thank you.